Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the sound now, open TikTok, find the sound card, and save it so it's easy to access. If you're creating your own, record a clean clip, high bitrate MP3 or 16-bit WAV, because clarity matters for reuse and detection. Once done, decide whether you'll produce a video using the in-app recorder or upload a private video that contains only the sound so TikTok extracts it for others to use. You now assemble the clip, import or record video and attach the chosen sound. Trim the sound precisely to match cuts and beats, and make sure to set volume levels so voice and music balance. This improves viewer retention. Once aligned, pick original sound if it's yours or the music library option if licensed, and add captions plus hashtags to boost discoverability. Make sure to credit the creator in the caption so others can find the source easily. You're ready to publish. Choose public visibility and enable Duet and React so others can reuse your sound, which drives trends. After posting, watch the sound page and analytics to see how it spreads, and reply to comments to encourage reuse. If TikTok blocks the sound or it shows copyright claims, don't panic, check rights, try uploading as an original sound from a private video, or use a cleared, royalty-free track to avoid removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.